Have you ever wondered why some people seem to defy the odds? Why is it that certain individuals, despite facing insurmountable challenges, manage to rise above and achieve greatness? What is it about their journey that sets them apart from the rest of us? They rise from nothing to achieve incredible things. These are the stories of people who have faced adversity head-on and emerged victorious. They are the ones who have turned their dreams into reality, often starting with nothing but a vision and an unwavering belief in themselves. They overcome challenges that would cripple others. Whether it's climbing a mountain, lifting weights, or overcoming personal obstacles, these individuals demonstrate a resilience and determination that is truly inspiring. What is it that fuels their drive? What sets them apart from those who falter in the face of difficulty? Often it's a single, powerful decision. This decision can be a turning point, a moment of clarity where they choose to take control of their destiny. It's a decision that can change the course of their lives forever. This decision isn't always obvious. It can be a subtle shift in mindset, a quiet resolve to keep pushing forward despite the odds. It might be a moment of introspection, where they realize that they have the power to change their circumstances. It might be quiet, even hidden from the outside world. These moments of decision often happen in solitude, away from the noise and distractions of everyday life. It's in these quiet moments that they find the strength to make a change. But it acts as a catalyst, setting in motion a chain of events that transforms their lives. This single decision can create a domino effect, leading to a series of positive changes that propel them towards their goals. It's the spark that ignites their journey towards success. It's the moment they choose a different path, embrace a new belief, or commit to a daring dream. This choice can be the difference between a life of mediocrity and a life of extraordinary achievement. It's the moment they decide to reach for the stars, to pursue their passions with unwavering determination. These stories of triumph against all odds serve as a reminder that we all have the potential to achieve greatness. They inspire us to reflect on our own lives and the decisions we make. They encourage us to believe in ourselves and to never give up, no matter how difficult the journey may seem. So the next time you find yourself facing a challenge, remember the power of a single decision. Remember that you have the ability to change your life, to overcome obstacles, and to achieve your dreams. It all starts with a choice, a commitment to yourself, and the courage to take that first step. Against all odds, you too can rise above and achieve incredible things. With determination, resilience, and the right mindset, anything is possible. Your journey to success begins with a single, powerful decision. Embrace it, and watch as your life transforms in ways you never thought possible. Imagine your life as a ship at sea. Every day you make small adjustments to the rudder, navigating the currents of life. But what if you were to spin the wheel, changing course completely? This is the power of a life-altering decision. It's not about making the right or wrong choice. It's about recognizing the moments that have the potential to reshape your trajectory. It's about understanding that within you lies the power to create a future far beyond what you currently believe is possible. Consider Elon Musk, who decided to dedicate himself to renewable energy and space exploration. Or Oprah Winfrey, who chose to overcome a challenging past and empower others through her voice. These weren't just career moves. They were fundamental shifts in perspective, fueled by a deep-seated belief in their potential. These decisions weren't made lightly. They required courage, commitment, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. But the impact of these choices echoes far beyond their own lives, inspiring millions around the world. Our brains are wired for decision-making. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are constantly making choices. These decisions range from the mundane, like what to eat for breakfast, to the significant, such as career moves or life-changing commitments. The human brain is a complex organ designed to process information and evaluate options rapidly. Every choice, big or small, triggers a cascade of neurological activity. When faced with a decision, our brain's prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for complex cognitive behavior, lights up. Neurons fire, synapses connect, and neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin play crucial roles in how we weigh our options and make our final choice. This intricate dance of brain activity is what enables us to navigate the world and make decisions that shape our lives. Understanding this process can empower us to make better decisions. By learning how our brain works, we can develop strategies to improve our decision-making skills. For instance, being aware of cognitive biases, such as confirmation bias or the availability heuristic, can help us avoid common pitfalls. Engaging in activities that stimulate critical thinking, like reading, participating in discussions, or even playing strategic games, can enhance our ability to make sound decisions. Susie Welch's 10-10-10 rule, for example, encourages us to consider the impact of our decisions in 10 minutes, 10 months, and 10 years. This method prompts us to think beyond the immediate consequences and evaluate the long-term effects of our choices. By doing so, we can align our decisions with our long-term goals and values, ensuring that we are not swayed by short-term temptations or pressures. The 10-10-10 rule is a powerful tool for gaining perspective. When we take the time to reflect on how our decisions will affect us in the future, we are more likely to make choices that lead to lasting satisfaction and success. This approach can be applied to various aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional endeavors, helping us to navigate complex situations with greater clarity and confidence. This long-term perspective helps us move beyond immediate gratification and align our choices with our values and aspirations. By considering the future impact of our decisions, we can avoid the trap of making impulsive choices that may bring short-term pleasure but long-term regret. Instead, we can focus on what truly matters to us and make decisions that support our overall well-being and personal growth. By being mindful of the potential consequences of our decisions, we can make choices that lead to greater fulfillment and success. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and journaling, can help us stay present and aware of our thought processes, enabling us to make more deliberate and thoughtful decisions. Ultimately, the science of choice is about understanding the mechanisms behind our decision-making and using that knowledge to create a life that reflects our deepest values and aspirations. Making life-changing decisions can feel overwhelming. The weight of the choices we make can often leave us feeling paralyzed, unsure of which direction to take. It's a common experience, one that many of us face at various points in our lives, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach, we can navigate these moments with confidence and clarity. Imagine feeling a sense of relief and assurance, knowing that you have a reliable method to guide you through the decision-making process. Here's a simple 3-step framework that can help you make better decisions no matter how big or small they may be. This framework is designed to bring structure and clarity to your thought process, making it easier to move forward. 1. Define what truly matters to you. What are your values? Take some time to reflect on your core beliefs and principles. These are the guiding stars that will help you navigate through the fog of uncertainty. What do you want to achieve? Set clear, specific goals that align with your values. When you know what you're aiming for, it's easier to make decisions that move you closer to your desired outcome. Visualize your goals and write them down. This act of putting pen to paper can make your aspirations feel more tangible and within reach. 2. Take responsibility for your choices. Own your decisions and the consequences that come with them. This sense of ownership empowers you to take control of your life and steer it in the direction you want to go. Don't let fear or doubt dictate your path. It's natural to feel apprehensive, but remember that every decision is a step towards growth and learning. Embrace the uncertainty and trust in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. Confidence in your decision-making process can significantly reduce the anxiety that often accompanies major life choices. 3. Break down your decision into smaller, manageable steps. Large decisions can feel daunting, but by dividing them into bite-sized tasks, you can make the process more manageable and less intimidating. Start taking action, even if it's just one small step at a time. Each step you take builds momentum and brings you closer to your goal. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Recognizing your achievements can boost your motivation and keep you moving forward. This framework provides a roadmap for navigating difficult decisions. It offers a structured approach that can help you stay focused and on track, even when the path ahead seems unclear. It encourages introspection, empowers you to take control, and emphasizes the importance of action. By following these steps, you can make decisions with greater confidence and clarity. Remember, every decision is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace the journey, trust in your process, and take each step with intention and purpose. With this framework, you're well equipped to make better decisions and create the life you desire. Section 6. Turning fear into fuel. Fear is a natural part of growth. When you step outside your comfort zone, fear will inevitably arise. But instead of letting fear paralyze you, learn to reframe it. See fear as a signal that you're on the right track, pushing yourself towards something meaningful. Remember, you don't have to conquer your fears overnight. Start with small steps. Each step you take, no matter how small, will chip away at your fear and build your confidence. Section 7. The 1% Advantage. Transformative change rarely happens overnight. It's the result of consistent, small decisions that compound over time. This is the power of the 1% rule. By improving just 1% each day, you'll experience exponential growth in the long run. Think of it like building a muscle. Each repetition, each small effort, contributes to your overall strength. The same principle applies to your life. Every decision, every action, no matter how small, shapes your future. Section 8. Your time to decide. The power to change your life rests in your hands. It starts with a single decision. A decision to believe in yourself, to embrace your potential, and to take action towards the life you envision. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. The perfect moment is now. The perfect plan is to start. Section 9. Make your move. What is one decision you can make today that has the power to change your life? What step can you take, no matter how small, to move you closer to your goals? The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today, embrace the power of one decision, and watch as your life unfolds in extraordinary ways.